Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind, Body, Wisdom expert and Master Dowser. I've done thousands of readings for people all over the world and their loved ones on the other side, including their animal friends. And a lot of people want to learn to do it on their own. Of course, why wouldn't you, right? Then you could talk to them any time of the day or night. But the number one question I'm always asked is, how do I know for sure that I'm really talking to the person, that it's not my mind making up the answers and such? Best way I know, and it's always worked for me, is you start asking the question to your loved one, or you could be talking to angels, spirit guides, God, I don't know, whomever. You start asking the question, and before you get to finish the question you're asking, whether it's mentally, you're asking it in your mind or out loud, either way works. But that question gets interrupted with the reply, and you hear it in your mind, right? That's telepathy, and it's also called clairaudience. The clear hearing of the answers from spirit or whomever you're speaking with. Our human minds can't ask questions and answer them while we're asking the question at the same time. That's the sure number one way to know you're talking to your loved one or whomever you're directing the question to, is it gets interrupted. Like, I'll show you really quickly. My mom's been on my mind a lot today, which means she wants to chit-chat with me. And let me just see. Mom, your spirit, my earth mom. And I just heard, I'm here. Before I even said, are you here? Could you tell me today what you're doing? And she just answered just like that. I was going to ask, what is she doing on the other side? And she said today she's already been to concerts and classes, and she's just having a good old time. She's back together with a bunch of friends and family, and of course hanging out with my dad as well. There's so much bliss and joy on the other side, and you should feel some of that when they're speaking with you as well. So that's the best tip I can give you about communicating with beings on the other side. If you wanted to learn dowsing, that's a really great way to confirm yes or no if you're really speaking to them, and then what their replies are. And that includes celebrities on the other side. I've talked to a number of celebrities on the other side. I didn't call them in personally. I just happened to be thinking strongly about them, and they popped up in my living room and started chatting with me. And I used dowsing to confirm it really was them, not some hallucination from my 1960s wildness. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Namaste.